Welcome to ATDC 1-minute video tips. These video series is composed of different tips on service procedures, machine operation as well as maintenance procedures that will surely help you in handling your Komatsu machines. Disclaimer: this video serves as an additional guide and should not be used in replacement of the Komatsu's shop manuals and operator and maintenance manuals, or OMM. For the complete procedures, please always refer to the Komatsu manuals, as mentioned. How to perform twist turns. Applicable models: middle-sized hydraulic excavators. Twist turn is a convenient operation for changing the direction of the machine without damaging the foothold ground. Proper procedures need to be followed to perform the correct twist turn. Incorrect procedures may result in the work equipment being twisted or may cause serious damage to the undercarriage. The following procedure is to turn the machine direction to the right. Operate boom raise to raise the work equipment, and slightly swing it to the right. The swing angle for one time should be within 30 degrees. Operate boom lower until the front of the track, idler side, is slightly raised approximately 200 to 300 millimeters. With this condition, operate swing left, and travel left simultaneously. After the operation is completed, operate boom raise to lower the front of the track to the ground. Same procedures should be followed when performing twist turn to the left, but on opposite direction. Just operate swing right and travel right simultaneously. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more video updates.